So we're chosen to evaluate some certain websites, and we had to choose our own websites to evaluate. And I've gone for three that are related to the field that I'm interested in. And the first one is IMDb, which stands for Internet Movie Database, and it's quite an effective website because it encompasses all of loads of movies and that. But when you look at it, it's got quite this sleek, professional feel to it, and it's got a kind of Hollywood vibe in its aesthetics. Like there's a kind of yellow, which is like the gold tickets you used to get. But it's really easy to use as well. You can, on the front page, there's the latest film news and that, and it's pretty good to see what you're looking for. You can tell exactly the news you're looking for. You can tell exactly what's going on. But then at the top there's always this one bar, which is what most people use it for, and you can search for an actor or actress or film or director or blah de da, and basically it will come up with it. It will search the entire database for these films. When you get to the films page, it's got trivia, it's got goofs, it's got all the writing credits, it's got the production, but it's all laid out in this really easy to see format. It's easy to understand, it's easy to look at, and it's just easy to browse. And it's good because it tells people all about films, is what I'm interested in, so it works for me. Another website I looked at is IGN, which is a news coverage network, and that covers all forms of media entertainment, sort of television shows, movies, video games, all that sort of stuff. And it's laid out in quite a nice way. At the top it's got this little header where it'll switch through the top stories at a certain time. It'll stay on one story for 5 minutes, not 5 seconds, then it'll move through, and you can scroll through the news stories. But it can be a bit weird to look through. It's got this weird black and red aesthetic that doesn't really work most of the time. It just doesn't look that nice a lot of the time. And then you get onto their video player, and their video player's awful. It's terrible to use. You're trying to navigate it. It's just one of the worst. It doesn't really work well on mobiles either. So it's for a website that's based on media, it's kind of behind the times. And the final website I looked at was Box Office Mojo, which is a sort of website to analyse budget costs and box office takings for a film, and that one's not really done very well. It's got a horrible aesthetic. It looks like it was built on a computer from 1995, and it looks like it should be on a dial-up connection. It's just got not a nice aesthetic at all. Everything's in Times New Roman, and really all it's just like black underlined white background. You know, when you load up a website and it doesn't load up properly and it's just got wee blue text links, it's kind of like looking at that, but that's actually the way it's supposed to look. So it's just a terribly designed one. It's not smooth. The interface is a wee bit confusing, and it's just really not a nice website to look at. So that one's a bit rubbish. And that's my analysis of websites. I hope you enjoyed.